3. Testing 1, 2. So we should be good to go this time. Hey, this is Big Fred. I'm out on the 2019 Road Glide. Just doing a video test today. Doing a video test with the GoPro Hero 9 that's on the handlebars, as well as the GoPro Hero 5, which I have on my helmet. And I'm recording the audio to my Tascam DR-05 just to see if I can get any audio out. And one thing I noticed about the Hero 9, the battery drains really fast, so it's already about 50%. I'm sure the Hero 5 is the same way. So, but I did not charge the Hero 9 battery or the Hero 7 battery before I left. So I just, whatever the charger was before I left, that's what I used. So, but I do have a spare battery for both in my bag. So we'll see what happens. I might run up to this little car show and see what it looks like, and might stop, I don't know. But it is a pretty day out today. Like I said, the temperature's mid-60s. Got a little wind blowing today. You can see the flag up there moving, so the wind's blowing a little bit. Well, that's a lot. That's a lot of wind blowing. Like I said, I can feel it and hear it in my helmet. But it is what it is. It's a beautiful day to be on the bike. I need to go check on my guy to see how he's coming along cutting his grass today. I didn't go with him. I just let him go by himself, because if I had gone with him, he wouldn't have had any hours today, because we would have knocked those yards out in probably about an hour and a half, all 3 yards with 2 people. So it'll take him about 3 hours by itself. So he wants the hours, since we're not working much now, so he's trying to get all the hours he can. So I understand. As a matter of fact, I didn't bring my selfie stick to take any pictures, so a lot of trash on the road, a lot of books. Church of God in Christ. That's a donkey that he's been working on a horse for years. Something's wrong with my throttle. It's idling up. Might have to take it to the shop and get it looked at. We got quite a few cars out here today. Got quite a few motorcycles out there today. Well, there's some nice cars at the car show today. Didn't get a chance to really stop and look, but I'm going to turn back around and go back and look at the cars and motorcycles that they have at the car show. There's several good-looking cars and motorcycles I saw from the road. Really interested in seeing what some of the guys are bringing out for the car show, motorcycle wise, because what it looks like, I saw about 20 or 30 motorcycles at the show. So I don't know if they had a club there or it was just a bunch of guys bringing the motorcycles out, but I'm going to go check it out and look and see what I can see, what I see out there at the car show. So I'm going to run up here and turn around. I had planned on going home and picking up my car, picking up one of the cars and bringing it back, but I really don't feel like cleaning the cars up and doing all that before I come back to the car show. So I'll just go up here to the store and turn around and head on back to the car show. I'm surprised my dad is not here, because like I said, he usually likes attending the car shows, but apparently he didn't know about it either. So normally we would bring one of our Mustangs out. Like I said, we have a couple of Mustangs, 1970 fastbacks. Oh man, I don't know what's going on with my throttle on my motorcycle, but it's idling up kind of high. But like I said, we have two Mustangs that we normally bring out for car shows, but this car show kind of slipped our mind, and plus with COVID, we don't want to really be around a lot of people, so we're just not going to go. I'm not going home to get them. I don't know where my dad's at, so I'm not going to worry about trying to get into the car show with the Mustangs. Because by the time I get home and clean them up and do everything I need to get them ready for the show, that'll be an hour or so. And I think the show is over about 4 o'clock, so it only has a couple more hours to go before it's over with. So no need of doing all that work and going home. I'll just turn around up here and go back to the car show and look at the cars with my motorcycle and park over the motorcycle parking. I talked to my friend. He's bringing down his 65 Chevrolet pickup truck that he built. So, like I just don't have enough time to go home and get everything and come back and feel like doing all that extra work. So I'm just gonna ride down and look and see what I can see. And plus, I'm enjoying riding the motorcycle today. It's a beautiful day. The weather is nice. It's not too cold. It's a little chilly, but it's not cold. The sun's out, so it's a good day to ride. So I'm just enjoying this time on the motorcycle. Like I said, the Road Glide is doing very well. Like I said, it'll be a year in December. So I've been a couple of short trips up to Knoxville, which is about 5.5, 6 hours away. I'll take it up into the Smoky Mountains and stuff like that. But I've driven the bike twice up to Knoxville, so, and I might drive it again this weekend while the weather is still nice. I think the temperature is supposed to be up to 65 or 70 degrees this weekend. And I might go up there this weekend again and just ride on up there while I don't have to really get dressed up for the cold. Like I said, each time I've gone up there, I've had a good ride up there. You know, the weather's been good. The bike handled exceptionally well. The only problem I had the first time was the seat. I was using that factory seat, and it was painful. So I eventually switched over to a what did I get? I got a Mustang Super Touring Deluxe seat. So it has made the trip more enjoyable than it was in the past. So, like I said, I'm looking forward to going back up there again and checking out the scenery and checking out the mountains and the leaves changing colors. So it's really a pretty time of the year to be in East Tennessee. So, like I said, hopefully I'll go up there Friday or Saturday and spend the weekend and come on back. I don't know if I'll get me a hotel room or stay with some friends I have up there, but either way, I might go on up there and just spend a couple more days enjoying this beautiful weather on the motorcycle. So, like, I'm trying to find somewhere to turn around on the motorcycle, not to make a U-turn on the highway. And that car there on that turning lane is going to the car show. Also, I saw it once I pulled in. So I'm making a U-turn on the highway. Didn't stop, just made the U-turn and kept going. Well, I'm almost here, getting ready to pull into the location. So that was about it. I had a nice ride today. Beautiful day, and like I said, looking forward to using this GoPro Hero 9 more often. No complaints with it. It's been so far the quality is good, and probably end up getting another one, getting rid of the 5, and just going with 2 GoPro Hero 9s for that hyper smooth stabilization. Hey, this is BigFredTN. I'm getting ready to sign off, getting ready to head into this motorcycle meet or motorcycle show. And I think they had a bike blessing also, and it was sponsored by some Christian motorcycle association. I don't know the name of the one, but they end up I think it did a couple baptism. They baptized a couple people, and like I said, had a bike blessing. So, like I said, it's pretty good show, pretty good turnout. Probably had 30, 40 bikes up here, real nice bikes. I kind of feel bad pulling up in here in a stock motorcycle. You know, you see all these bikes with the chrome, big wheels, stereo system. I'm just riding a stock motorcycle. So, hey, this is, like I said, once again, this is BigFredTN, also known as the Laconic one, and I'm out.